Greeting, Liberty students. We're moving into week 6 of our 8-week course. At the end of this week, you'll be 3/4 of the way through the class. Module 6 covers February 23rd through the 29th. And you'll have a discussion board this week as well, so do remember to read and follow the instructions for the discussion board and look at the grading rubric that you've got available to you as well. And adapt to these. You'll see your grades go up, I'm sure, as you do so. This week you've got reading. If you've got the hard copy, you're reading Pole Hill, pages 339 to 407. If you've got the electronic copy, you're reading from Roman numeral 6, Paul's witnesses to the Greek world, Acts 15:36 through 19:22 rather, up to the instigation of Rabbi Demetrius in Acts 19:23 to 27. You're going to be reading in the book of Acts, Acts 16:6 through 19:20, and you've got 2 presentations to listen to and watch, namely Preaching to Pagans, Paul's message in Athens, covering Acts 17, and the second and third journeys. As I've already mentioned, you've got discussion board forum 3 to do, so again, be sure to read the discussion board instructions and look at the grading rubric, and then as you write that discussion board, do be sure to conform to those criteria. Also, please do not upload files into the discussion board, but rather write your discussion board response in a Word document and then copy and paste that information into the discussion board or type directly into the discussion board. Then double check your work, make sure your spelling and grammar is correct, all those things. Be sure you're saying what you want to say, and then submit it. We've got thematic panel number 6, only one more of those after this one. So do a good job on that, and then you've got quiz number 3. There's more for you to read in there, so due date time to read the entire announcement. And then remember that the spring term B ends on March 11th, which is a Friday. It doesn't run over the weekend for that last week, so you do need to work hard to get all your work in. You're working on your papers. Be sure that the body of your papers are 5 to 8 pages, double-spaced, Arabian style, and so forth. Other items again there to read through. Be sure to do that. I trust that the course is proving a real blessing to you and that you're learning much about the book of Acts.